Okay, so in last session, just we discussed about what is the AI, what is the Azure AI. Am I right, guys?
Yes,
Yeah. Now you tell me, guys, what is the AI?
AI, artificial intelligence is a mission. It acts like a human.
Okay.
It reduces the performance. We have a lot of benefits are there using AI. That is
Yes.
improving performance, accuracy, speed. Everything is there using AI. Cost effective and all.
Yes, correct. Very single line definition. What is the AI? AI refers to what? Simulation of human intelligence by machines is called AI. Do you agree? What is the single line definition for what is the AI? Artificial intelligence is the simulation of human intelligence by machines is called what is that AI. Here enables machines think, learn and provide the decision making capabilities is called AI. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Next. In other words, simply we can say, let's see. Okay. What is the AI? Just now I said what is AI? Okay. AI refers simulation of human intelligence is called what is that? AI. Okay, it enables the missions. What is that? It enables the missions. What is that? Think, learn, and provide. What is that? Decision making, problem resolving. What is that? Decision making, problem resolving, and adapting without explicit programming languages. We need not write any programming languages mainly. Okay, yeah. So this is about what? What is the AI? Okay, now core component, as you said, okay, learning from existing data, performing the reasoning, and provide the what is that prediction analysis. Okay, what is the core component of AI? Learning from the data and the reasoning. It will implement the logic and provide the prediction analysis. Is called AI. Simple other definition. There are many definitions are there in the market. What is the AI? Very simple. Human intelligence is nothing but AI. Simply we can say. Okay, if you give one line of statement, it refers simulation of human intelligence. What is that? Simulation of human intelligence is called AI. Okay, so it enable the machines to perform the tasks. Okay, like decision making, problem resolving, learning, and adapting without explicit programming languages. Okay, yeah. Next, now, why should I go for AI, guys? Any idea? Why should I go for AI? To automate the regular tasks with help of AI. Next, reduce the labor cost, increase the productivity. Next, what else? Without human interaction is called what is the advantage of the AI? Okay, yeah. Next, these are so main topics of AI is right. One is machine learning. Okay, second one is deep learning. Okay, third one is what?
Generative AI.
Gen AI. Okay, third one is Gen AI. Okay, AI is assume that AI is the tree. Branches of AI is like machine learning, deep learning. Okay, Gen AI. These are what sub branches of AI. I can say. Okay, yeah. Next, what is the Azure AI? What is the Azure AI, guys? What is the Azure AI? Azure AI is a cloud-based platform. I am repeating. Microsoft Azure AI is the what? Cloud-based AI platform where we can build, deploy, and manage, access the AI applications. Access the AI application is called Azure AI. Okay, I'm repeating. What is the Azure AI, guys? Azure AI is a cloud-based AI platform where we can build, deploy, manage AI solutions is called Azure AI. Okay, Microsoft providing beautiful and unified platform called AI Foundry. What is that, guys? AI Foundry is the web-based tool, web-based AI tool where we can build, deploy AI solutions. Here I am using one common term called AI solutions. AI solutions means you can develop playground, you can develop the assistants, you can provide the prompt and control the AI models. Okay, next, we can implement generative AI, your custom solution, and just grab the output. Okay, all these, each and everything we can perform AI related experiment on top of AI Foundry. Have you heard about it, this word AI Foundry, guys, by chance anytime? AI Foundry. Okay, fine. AI Foundry is the web-based tool where we can build, deploy, manage, access the AI applications. Again, I'm repeating, what is the Azure AI, guys? Azure AI is a cloud-based platform by Microsoft offering wide range of services. Okay, wide range of AI services. Okay, it will help us developer, scientists, and enterprise to build, deploy, manage, access the AI solution is called Azure AI. So why should I go for Azure AI? Can anyone tell me why I should go for AI, Azure AI? Okay, Microsoft came up with pre-built AI services. What is that? Pre-built AI services, which can directly integrate with your application. Okay. Yeah, which can directly integrate with your application. What are the pre-built AI services they have provided? Also, we can call it as Azure Cognitive Services. Azure Cognitive Services. Now they have replaced Azure AI Services. These are the technical words, guys. You can please remember by reading multiple times. Okay, so Microsoft, they have provided multiple Azure pre-built services. We can call them as Azure Cognitive Services or Azure AI services. Okay, here we can say vision services, next speech services, and the next language services, next decision services. What is that? Decision services. Okay, I am telling overview of the services which they have provided. Okay, now underlying that we have sub branches, subtitles and all. We will go on in detail discuss about it going forward. Okay, next I am telling this is interview question. As I said, AI Foundry. If I tell what is the Azure AI Foundry, what is the Azure AI Foundry, guys? It is the unified platform. What is that? Unified platform. Okay, in other words, we can say it is a unified AI platform where we can build, deploy, manage AI agents and application is called Azure AI Foundry. So here in AI Foundry, there are Microsoft offering n number of models which was developed by various companies in the world. You know, right? Meta. Okay, Meta, they developed Llama models. What is the full form of the Llama, guys? Large language meta AI model. First L means large, LA means language, M means meta AI models. Okay, same way Mistral is there. Mistral models, Microsoft Pi model, Microsoft Pi models. Same way OpenAI, they came up with OpenAI, they came up with GPD model. Okay, next NVIDIA. Okay, NVIDIA, they came up with some other models. Anthropica. Anthropica. This is also another super model, guys. It is going to be popular. Okay, yeah, Anthropica. Like DeepSeek. What is that? DeepSeek. R models. Everything is there. whatever you want, you can go on provision it directly and develop your on top of this existing solutions. For example, I want to use GPT model and generate AI. I would like to deploy some generative AI applications. Yes, you can use it. But I can say no other cloud vendors are there to provide such kind of unified platform to develop each and everything in centralized location, guys. If you go for Google, Gemini, Google and AWS, they doesn't have that kind of platform where we can build, develop these from these many type of AI models. Okay, yeah, next. Now, this is about what? What is the AI Foundry? Clear? Do you have any questions, any doubts so far, guys?
Hey, hello, Sika. Hi, Minaki. Good morning.
Sorry?
Hi, this is Minaki. Good morning,
Okay.
Sekhar.
Okay. Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah. So, I have one doubt here. Is that Azure DevOps will going to replace Azure AI? The DevOps is different and AI is different, right?
DevOps is
There
different,
are.
AI different. Total, this is controversial topic.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
Totally, it is artificial intelligence. DevOps something automated for application and deployment for cloud
Okay.
services.
Okay. Fine. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. Any more
And one more,
questions?
I think, one small question because machine learning and other data science areas, I'm really new, not exactly new, but I'm very good at database. So, is that okay if I go on this Azure AI?
Databases, huh?
No, I'm seeing that for me, machine learning and data sciences is very much new. I have not have practiced it. So, if I go for this course, so that will be going good,
Yes,
in
anyone
future.
can learn, guys. Now AI is the
Uh-huh.
mandatory. It is not a optional.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, you know, right? 10 years back,
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
said that cloud computing is mandatory. That time people are thinking about what is the cloud and all. Now already at this moment, 90% of application in the cloud. So AI is not who can
Correct.
learn, who cannot learn. Everyone should learn, guys. Everyone should learn. Forget about your educational background, whether you are MPC, BPC, or BCom computers or BPC computers are different. Okay, so AI is the mandatory. That's what I can say.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, next. Now, Azure AI, they are providing two certification papers, AI 900. Other one is what? AI 102. AI 900, other one is what? AI 102. Okay, AI 900 is Azure Fundamentals. Okay, AI 102 is what? Azure AI Engineer. AI Engineer. Okay, let us go and see official site len.microsoft.com. Okay, len.microsoft.com. Here, type certifications. Okay, browse credentials. Okay, see, this is the centralized centralized Azure certification information. Now, if I choose Azure, okay, now here we have what? AI engineer. Now click on AI engineer. Clear, guys? When you go on, click on AI engineer. Okay, here we have these many papers. Okay, Microsoft Azure AI fundamentals. See, guys, many things they have added. These skills they have added yesterday only.
Mm.
Microsoft applied build and natural language processing, build and AI vision. Okay, this is what, guys, a newly added certification. Yesterday only they have added. Now, main thing is AI fundamentals. Okay, so this is AI 900. This is the syllabus, guys. I will let you know the syllabus. You need not have to worry. Okay, yeah, next go back and click on AI Certified Engineer Associates. So AI 102 is the certification. Now coming to syllabus, see plan and implementation. What is that? AI solutions, implementation generate AI model, implementing agentic solution, implementing computer vision, language, knowledge mining and information extraction solutions. Okay, yeah, next. Okay, next, these are all the certification syllabus. Now, I will show you officially the syllabus I have prepared from this official Microsoft site only, guys. Okay, yeah, next, this is the 102. Okay, so this is the 102, which I have prepared the syllabus from the topics only, but I am providing topic wise. That's it. Now, first thing is here I am going to discuss about what 102 overview and certification scope. Just now we have discussed it. Okay, overview of Azure AI services, vision, speech, language, decision, OpenAI models. Okay, cognitive services versus machine learning language. Okay, Azure AI workloads are common workloads, NLP, vision, forecast, and services. Choose right AI, Azure AI services. Okay, next, setting up Azure environment. I can choose Azure portal, CLI resource group, creative cognitive resources. All right, yeah, next, responsibilities of AI. Next module we can see responsibilities of AI. Next, other one is natural language processing. How we can implement NLP and how we can use Azure cognitive services, that all we will see. What is the text analysis? Next, this is about what language understanding and Azure language studio, how we can utilize, how we can convert the data from one language to another language, and how deeply integrate with Python code. Okay, yeah, next, this is the custom analysis, named entity recognition using language models. Okay, next, translator services. Do you know what is the translator? So assume that this document is in English. I can convert it into Tamil, Malayalam, Telugu, okay, German, Korean languages, China languages, in other Dutch, okay, any other languages. Microsoft supporting 100 plus language conversion. Okay, if your document is in one language, that can be converted into different languages. How we can do that now, we will see. Okay, next, computer vision. What is the use of computer vision? How we can implement computer vision? Okay, that we will see. This is the model, computer vision basics. Face API, how we can detect the face APIs? That we will see model. Uh, 12. Okay, computer vision and use cases for lab, that all we will see computer vision. Next, other one is speech services. You know, right? I am speaking English. Okay, now if you want to listen in Telugu, Malayalam and all, yes, we can use speech services. It will convert it to speech to text, text to speech. If you type what is the Azure, then it can be converted into what is that, speech services. Okay, here we can use neural voice and real-time batch translation, how we can use transcript audio using speech SDK and all. Next, this is about what, speech translation, how we can do the speech translation. Next, here we can say train, how we can custom speech models. Okay, how we can use call center transcription with a domain specific vocabulary, that all we will see in this module. Next, another thing is bot services, guys. Okay, bot framework and Azure bot services. These are Azure bot services, and here we can check build and bot the with Composer. Okay, build and like Chat GPT is the bot services. How we can develop our own Chat GPT services, that we will discuss in this module. Next, integrate Louis and question and answers. You know, right? Best example, HDFC.com, guys. They are using our Azure AI search. HDFC. This is the bot services. See, have you observed there is a Java services? Okay, when I click on it, see it is the bot. If I go and type what is Azure, then it won't respond, right? If I ask credit cards, yeah, it will give the suggestions. Okay, this is the bot services, how we can strict to explore the our company data within the network or outside of the network. Okay, that we will see what is that in this bot integration and deploy the mod in Azure. Okay, next I will show you how to use a real case scenario, HR bot internal employees queries, how they can sort it out. Okay, next here OpenAI basics. You know, right? OpenAI, it is very powerful. They are developing n number of GPT models. Now, latest version of GPT is 4.1. What is the full form of the GPT? Generative Pre-trained Transformer. Okay, so what is the full form of the GPT? Generative Pre-trained Transformer. Okay, this is about what GPT 4.1, how they can use it. Next, decision services, personalizer, content moderator, anomaly detector, that all we will use decision making services. Integrating with multiple AI. See here we can say end-to-end pipeline, combining vision, neural NLP bot services. Okay, this we can call it as end-to-end pipeline. One example I will show you by integrating all these services. Okay, hands-on about customer support platform and all. I will give it to that. Next, now this is about what total syllabus of AI 102. What is that, guys? AI 102. Okay, yeah, next. So this is the it has been included AI 900 as well, guys. Whatever I shown you, I will cover each and everything. Okay, I will cover each and everything. Okay, about Azure AI. Next. And now these two are certification papers, especially in Azure. Now recently, just now I shown you, right? Yesterday only they have added these papers. You can go for learn.microsoft.com. Sorry. See, in the news, they are providing Microsoft Azure. Azure revenue 50% they came up from AI only. So what does that mean? Already world started using AI. Okay, Microsoft Azure AI is the leader in the market for entire AI applications, guys. Okay, yesterday Microsoft released their notes on Microsoft Azure Cloud Revenue Search as AI spending payoff. Okay, nowadays these companies are getting lot of profits because of AI only. Especially Microsoft Azure is the market leader to build, deploy, manage, and access the AI related applications. Okay, yeah, next. Now, learn.microsoft.com. Now, navigate to certifications. Okay, browse credentials. Now click on what is that? Azure AI engine. Okay, these are the new guys. Let's see, Microsoft applied build a neural language processing, build an AI vision, build an intellectual AI document intelligence, OpenAI, and Microsoft applied desktop, develop the generative AI solutions. Okay, Microsoft applied implement knowledge mining, and other one is what is the certification paper? Let's see. Microsoft applied the skills. Have you observed here Azure and machine learning And Python basics is mandatory, guys. Python nowadays, if you want to go on basics of Python required, at least you should know what is that code and all. Okay. Yeah. So this is about what they are giving notes, guys. It's they have not launched as a certification paper. Okay, these are all the part of AI only. Okay, apply the skills. That's it. It's not a certification paper. Now yesterday only they have launched this one. Okay, let it be. These are all sub modules of AI, guys. Azure machine learning and all as it said. See, have you observed the candidate credentials must be familiar with Azure services, should have experience with machine learning and MI flow, machine learning flow. Candidate should also have experience to perform the task relevant to machine learning using Python. Okay, yeah, so these are add-in tasks. Python is mandatory. I can say basic should be required at least. Okay, clear. This is about what? What is the Azure AI? Advantage of the Azure AI. Okay, next. Now how to subscribe for Azure free trial. Okay, to subscribe for Azure free trial, we have to follow 4 steps. You have to enter your information. Okay, second thing is enter the mobile number. Okay, third thing is enter the credit or debit card details. Okay, credit or debit card details. Fourth one is agree terms and conditions. What is that? Agree terms and conditions. Okay, once it is done, you will get 17,600 free credits. Okay, that you can consume it for 30 days, guys. That you can consume it for 30 days. Okay, that you can consume it for 30 days. After 30 days, you have to create another account, no alternative. And after 30 days, you have to create another account, no alternative. But AI services are costly, guys. So you have to carefully remove the services once a practice is over. Or else, if you create one AI services, forget about, if you forget for 2 days or 3 days, that's it. Within 2 to 3 days, whatever the credits they are offering, it will be expired within 2 to 3 days max. Why? Because as I said, AI services are high cost. Why? Because the infrastructure itself high cost. Okay, the infrastructure itself high cost. Now, have a look. Navigate to azure.microsoft.com. I am giving the link azure.microsoft.com. It. Okay, I am pinging you in the chat. Okay, I am pinging you in the chat. See. Okay, have you observed? Get started with Azure. What is that? Get started with Azure. Click on it. Okay, here you can go for Azure free account, pay as you go model. What is that? Azure free account. Other one is what? Pay as you go model. Okay, yeah, next step. Now, pay as you go model always every end of the month you will get invoice. You have to pay it. Pay only for what you use. Azure free account means available for only new customers. Free monthly around 30 days it will be free. You can use Azure services within 30 days, guys. Okay, then click on here. Click on Azure for free. It is not a rocket science, guys. How we are filling the form for Gmail account creation and all right, same way we can use it. Okay, yeah, forget about it. Now, after that, you can enter the, what is that, your user information. I have prepared the one document I will share with you. Let me quickly will go through that. Okay, this is the one. Okay, yeah, see. To this is about what? Free trial. Now, about you need to pass your information. Let's see. Okay, here you need to pass about you, your first name, last name, email address, mobile number, organization, PAN card ID. Organization you can mention like your name also as a organization. Okay, here you need to enter the mobile number. The moment when you enter the mobile number, you will get 6-digit OTP. That you need to enter 6-digit OTP. Okay, so once it is done, verify the code will be succeeded. Next, here you have to enter the credit and debit card details. You may have query that why should I enter the credit or debit card details? That is mandatory, guys. We can't do anything. Just Microsoft is verifying whether you are genuine user or not. That's it. Okay, so after enter the credit and debit card details, you will be debited 2 rupees. That amount will be credited back to your account max within 5 minutes, guys. So after debiting 2 rupees, okay, you will get one OTP that you have to enter. Once it is done, that whatever the 2 rupees 2 rupees got debited for authentication purpose, that amount will be credited back to your account within 5 minutes max. Okay, once it is done, you will get 17,600. Some people will get 17,800, depends on your subscription and all, guys. Okay, now final term is agree terms and conditions. The moment when you agree on terms and conditions, you will get 17,400 or 600, 800, depends on the current value of dollar and all, guys. Okay, clear. So once you have subscribed for Azure free trial, you can go and access the portal.azure.com. This is the URL I am pasting here. Okay, here we have what? Portal.azure.com. Clear, clear. I am pinging you in the chat. Directly you can access portal.azure.com. Hit enter. Yeah, so this is the Azure portal. What is that, guys? This is the Azure portal. Now, this we can call it as left side menu. This we can call it as left side menu. Technically, we will call it as blade, B-L-A-D-E, blade. Okay, if you observe, this is my settings. Click on settings. See, entire portal you can change it to what? English to your Hindi or Malayalam, in other global languages like German, Korean languages, Dutch, Chinese language, etc. etc. Now this is the appearance. When you click on appearance, click on flyout, apply it. See, left side menu has gone. There is no left side menu. If you want to place the left side menu, click on settings, appearance, click on docked, apply it. See, left side menu is there. Okay, now this is the automation. For example, if you want to create any services directly using Cloud Shell and PowerShell, you can utilize this service. Okay, Cloud Shell and connecting the terminal, request the cell. Okay, here you can use automation. Okay, it will support Python, PowerShell, Terraform. Okay, ARM template. Almost all languages it will support it, guys. Okay, yeah, next. Another important thing here is click on all services. So in left side there is a one option, all services. See, Microsoft providing around 200 plus services. Okay, AI plus machine learning, analytic, computer, container, DevOps, generative, what is that? General, okay, integration, Internet of Things, migration, mixed reality, storage, etc. etc. Now, if you observe, this is the option. Okay, if you observe, this is the option. Machine learning, anomaly detector, content moderator, metrics. Okay, AI search bot, custom vision, immersive readers, speech services, Azure Synapse Analytics, AI indexer, computer vision, document intelligence, language services, and translator. This is about what? Total AI services. This is about what? Total AI services, guys. Okay, which I am going to point it out only this option. Okay, total course, it is like 3 months. Uh, Here we will discuss about OpenAI, how we can build and deploy generative AI applications, how we can utilize this platform to host ready to use applications, which can be directly how we can integrate with our custom applications. Okay, here application in the sense how we can access those services in our custom application using Python. Clear? So Python basics is required, guys. I can say that is bit important. I will cover Python basics in this course. Okay.
Shekhar, do you have any Python link or something so that
Yeah,
simultaneously
I
I
will
can
share with
learn?
you. Yes, sure, sure.
Yeah, some link you can give
Yeah.
us.
Okay, like
Thank
you should have one Python scripting language, guys. You know, right? If you go for any administration, PowerShell, Terraform, or ARM templates, shell scripting, how at least you should have knowledge, right? When you go for AI, Python basics is mandatory. Simply I can say. So in part of this course, Python primary, I am covering Python and using Python, how we can integrate these services. We will discuss about it. Okay. So this is the overview. In tomorrow's session, I am going to show you how to deploy one GPT model, how we can develop our own chat GPT. See, you might have seen that chat GPT, right? So now I would like to develop my own chat GPT. Okay, it is developed by OpenAI organization. You know, right? OpenAI, Microsoft both are collaboration, and they are both together developing the models. Microsoft, which can be directly integrated with Microsoft products like Windows servers, Windows operating systems, Edge browser. Okay, M365 components. Okay, like M365 components in the sense, what does it mean? OneDrive. Okay, MS, Microsoft Word, Excel, PPT, SharePoint, Microsoft Azure. Got it. Microsoft SQL Server. Everywhere AI is the part nowadays. Got it. Salaries are very high. 100% whether you have interest or not, you must migrate it to AI. That's it. No other chance. If you start learning, no, to be frank, in another 6 months, you will get an idea what is that AI under. By just by chance, you can it. Okay, that is up to you. This is about what I am working as a architect on AI itself, guys. I will teach you each and everything how the real time will be happen. Okay. Yeah. Thank you, everyone. Tomorrow we will connect back. If you have any questions, feel free and ask me. Anyone has any queries, any doubts?
Yeah, Shekhar, will you guide us for certification completion?
Yeah,
Azure.
I will guide you for certification. AI 900 and 102, I will guide you that.
Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you.
But you have to complete
and
first AI 900, then move forward to AI 102, guys.
Okay. First
Yeah.
A 900.
Yes, AI 900 should be mandatory.
Okay.
Yeah. At this moment, that is the flow. Let's see after 6 months and all how it will go on. Now you know, right? Changes are drastically happen day by day.
Yes.
Yeah, long-term goals, no. Only short-term goals will be in place of that. That's it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
so Sekhar, after 3 months or 4 months, you suggest us to go on market and search for job or something on the AI,
Yes, guys. I can tell you next 3 months there is a worst in IT market. As I have the information, next three
yeah.
quarter, I can say September, October, November. By end of the December quarter, anyhow, IT will be closed. December, you know, right? Holiday season and all. So market will be open, but so sure next year 2026. That we cannot predict also. At this moment, IT market is struggling. everyone pushing about upskilling, upskilling, upskilling. Upskilling means no alternative, only AI.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah. But 3 months, you don't ask me how the job market now, it would be worse. That is the real scenario. I may motivate that market will be good. Okay. AI has lot of openings. AI also lot of openings, but calls are not getting. That is what real situation.
Yeah, because I mean, I'm also trying. I'm not getting any calls.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Learn it. But I'm telling strongly, Azure AI platform is a wonderful and beautiful platform which they have provided. I'm not telling the story, right? Here only they are implementing. They said how the profits and all. Okay, compared to AWS and Google,
Yeah.
Microsoft has like market leader. That is official at this moment.
So one maybe it's a very silly question. So only Meta and other areas big companies are hiring. So do you know any small scale level companies are hiring this Azure AI?
Uh, Everyone should implement. See, banking sector, finance, HR, everywhere AI is the part. How mobile is our day-to-day life part, right? Same way AI will be the
Mm-hmm.
part of our life to perform anything going forward. So whatever the appliances are there, right? Everything you have to replace. Tomorrow after January, you should purchase the washing machine with AI functionality. Purchase the AC with AI. Purchase the AC with the TV
Mm-hmm.
AI functionality and all. All your appliance should be changed. No alternative, guys. Who will bear that amount? 100% that corporate will push you to make
Mm-hmm.
spend the amount. Now, best example, Windows 10, that license going to be expired October 20th. That is the last date. So then customer must and should purchase the Windows 11. That is how they are coming with. So if you are not, no, I don't purchase Windows 10. I will use Windows 10 for next 2 years. Yes, use it. And there is no security updates. Then there would be a chance of hacking your system. Then what is that? They will corrupt the machines and they will theft the data under. Okay, don't think that my bank account is zero balance, what they can theft. Whatever 500 rupees is there, even that theft, that is not a good right. So like, yeah, so the updates, yeah, that softwares are keep on getting changed. Now you have to run up with their updates. That's it.
Yes. So the classes will be on a daily basis or weekend, like how is the same time?
No, it is daily basis. Okay, Monday to Friday, mandatory. Saturday depends on availability. I will take the sessions.
So it's the same time
Yeah, same
today?
time. Okay, yeah, timings will not be changed. This is the same time, guys. Okay.
Where will you get the recordings, Sekhar?
So you will get the Google Drive link, guys. I think today is second session, second demo, right? Okay.
Yes.
So every day
Correct,
they
correct.
will create one Google Drive link. They will paste it that, and they will give it to you that Google Drive link. Yeah, sessions will be recorded and uploaded on daily basis. You can access end of the day every day.
Okay. Okay, Sekhar. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, everyone. Tomorrow we'll connect back. Bye. Have a great day.
Yeah.
Take care. Yeah.
Thank you. Bye
Bye.
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 Thank you.